Well, the weekend was very soggy, I know, but at least it wasn't a complete washout. Well, Saturday kind of was. But Sunday we had a pretty good break too. Clouds stayed with us, but the rain kind of moved on. However, it's not over. We still have rain that'll be moving in. More scattered showers for tonight and also lasting through Monday. We also could have a few thunderstorms toward the end of the day, toward sunset is when we expect those to possibly roll in. It'll become breezy Monday night though as the rain leaves, and some of that rain will be turning over to a few snow showers in the northern part of the plateau and also the mountains. Not expecting accumulation, but that's just showing how chilly it's going to be on the backside of this. Sun is going to slowly return on Tuesday, and then on Valentine's Day is looking great. Lots of sunshine. Forecast highs for your Monday are going to be generally in the low 60s. So that's still running well above normal. May get up to close to 70 degrees in Tellico Plains. 64 degrees in Sweetwater, 66 in Athens. Crossville, you'll be at 60 tomorrow, and we'll be at 63 in Knoxville. There is a flood watch for all of us shaded in green. It's primarily the county south of I-40, does not include Knox County right now, and that flood watch is through 7 p.m. Monday. That's due to the potential for some more rain. With saturated ground, an extra inch could cause some areas to flood, especially the prone areas for flooding, like some of the banks, some of the streams, the localized places that typically get flooded. In the meantime, though, the rain is not quite over yet. Look at this conveyor belt of moisture coming in. This is a subtropical jet stream, and this is water vapor showing how much water vapor is flowing northward now out of the Gulf of Mexico. There is a dry slot, though, and that's right behind it. That's showing that this is eventually on the move and kicking out. There is a low pressure forming, an upper level one, that eventually extend to the surface and help move it along. And that's why we're going to have some finer weather to come, but it'll take a little while. There's a severe weather threat for us, primarily for those that are south of I-40. You got to go much further south. If we get anything that is severe when it comes to those thunderstorms coming in tomorrow evening, they would be primarily for wind. Wind could be gusty 50 to 60 miles an hour at times. Here's Futurecast, and I'll show you the progression. Scattered showers throughout the night. This is Monday morning. We may have to wake up using the umbrella or the wiper blades at times. We'd have a few showers that could be about. Clouds are going to stay with us. And then by noon, some more rain begins to move in. It'll be periodic showers until we get the big push toward the evening. And you can see how heavy the rain is as it approaches the plateau. That'll be swinging in. Some of these could have embedded thunderstorms with heavy downpours too. Through around 8 o'clock, it's going to continue to move on. There's the backside of it. You see that snow show up briefly, and then it vacates the area, and we have clearing conditions by Tuesday. So we'll have a little bit more sunshine Tuesday and especially on Wednesday. February has been dry for the first week, but boy, we've had a lot of rain lately, haven't we? Half an inch on the 9th, a little over an inch on Saturday, and then an inch and a third here today on Sunday. Monthly precipitation, well, it is well above average for the year. 2.65 inches. We've had over 9 inches in the rain gauge. This month is looking pretty positive. Of course, January was quite wet. Rainfall outlook, we're going to continue to have a possibility of an additional quarter to a half an inch, some cases up to an inch if you get some of those embedded thunderstorms, and we'll continue to watch that. There'll be some isolated spots that may even get over an inch of rain. Scattered showers overnight tonight with fog and cloud cover. We'll have southeast breezes down to 52. Tomorrow on Monday, 63 for the high, and if we warm up more than that, the thunderstorm threat will probably be a little bit greater. Southeast winds will start to come up 10 to 15. And then we notice that it gets a little better. The unsettled weather pattern moves on. We have somewhat of a tranquil phase with temperatures kind of mild. Valentine's Day is terrific. Lots of sun on Thursday, probably the pick of the week, considering how nice it's going to be with 60 degrees. Possibility of some rain coming in on the weekend, and then temperatures do take a dive thereafter. Enjoy your week. I'll see you again soon.